Hi coin traders family. On today's video on crypto trading, we will be looking for some trading opportunities in crypto arbitrage. Crypto arbitrage involves buying a token from one exchange at a lower price and simultaneously selling that same token in another exchange at a higher price. That difference in price is what we will take advantage of and profit from. To carry out this arbitrage, we need a crypto wallet. I'm going to use Trust Wallet. The token I will trade is called ZIL token, ZIL for shorts. By default, you won't have it on your dashboard, so you have to add it. And to do that, click the icon at the top right and type ZIL. Select the BEP20 version. I have successfully added the ZIL token to my dashboard. I assume you are familiar with Trust Wallet, and you know how to fund your wallet with BEP20 BNB and USDT. To do this arbitrage, you need to fund your Trust Wallet with BEP20 USDT, or BEP20 BUSD, or BEP20 BNB or Bitcoin, with the amount you want to trade, with $50 as the minimum. You will also need some BNB Smart Chain for transaction fees. Now notice that the price of ZIL token on Trust Wallet is 0.02987. But on the website, the price of ZIL token is 0.02530. This difference in price will be our profit. We will buy from the ZIL token website and sell it in Trust Wallet using PancakeSwap. Now let's open our browser. Go to the ZIL token website, ZILToken.com. Tap the option bar, select USDT, BUSD, or BNB, whichever one you want to trade with. Enter an amount to trade, let's say $100. You can see that $100 will get us approximately 3,951 ZIL token. When we come here to PancakeSwap or Binance and input 3,951 ZIL tokens, it will give us 117 USDT, that's an extra $17 profit, which is 17%. And sell it back to USDT on PancakeSwap, making 17% profit each time we do that. Let's go back to the ZIL token website and carry out the trade. Select coin to pay with. I'll use USDT for my trade. Enter amount. Click Buy ZIL. You will be redirected to Trust Wallet. Click Next. Confirm and make sure to have Smart Chain BNB to pay for transaction fees. As you can see, 100 USDT has been deducted from my wallet along with few cents in Smart Chain BNB. We have also received equivalent 3,952 ZIL token as well, which is $117. Let's proceed to PancakeSwap to swap it back to USDT. Click on Browse. Click or type in PancakeSwap.finance. Click Connect. Note here to change from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain. Click Connect. If when connecting you see this option, click on Trust Wallet. Change to BNB Smart Chain. Click Connect. Click Trade. Make sure up here is on BNB Smart Chain too. By default, we have our swap options from BNB to Cake. I want to swap from ZIL to USDT. So I'm going to replace BNB with ZIL and Cake with USDT. I want to swap all my ZIL tokens, so I'll select Max. Click Enable ZIL. Click Confirm. Click Swap. Click Confirm Swap. Click Confirm. We have successfully swapped all our ZIL tokens to USDT and made an extra $17 profit. The good news is that you can do this more than once as long as the price difference exists. Use a good amount so you can make good profit. Guys, you don't need to be an expert trader to do this. Just have crypto in your wallet and follow the steps I took in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video. See you in the next one. Cheers.